In today's Figma tutorial, we are going to create the smooth food icons animation from scratch. As you can see, whenever I click on a food icon, it smoothly transitions into view with a clean and elegant animation. We will recreate this interactive effect using Figma's Dissolve transition combined with ease in animation to give our UI a polished and modern feel. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create clickable UI interactions, animate icons with smooth transitions, and make user interfaces feel much more engaging. Let's jump into Figma and start building. Once you have opened your design file in Figma, you can just set up the icons whichever you want. And here I have placed these four icons. First thing we have to do is let's make them black and white. So I'll click on this burger, and while holding down Alt on the keyboard, I will make a duplicate of it, and I will just place it over here. And then come to the properties panel on the right side, click on this fill image, and you will see here are the settings. You can adjust the color of this icon, so you can just use the settings which I'm using. Make the exposure a bit to the left and contrast to a bit to the left, and then saturation all the way to the left, and temperature also all the way to the left, and then tint make it just a slight to the left, and then the highlights all the way to the right, and the shadows also all the way to the right. So now the same thing you have to do for all the other three icons. So I will then grab my second icon, the pizza one. I will just fast forward the video so you won't have to watch it all. So once you have make your icons black and white, let's place some text now. Grab your text tool, and I'll just click and type anywhere on the canvas, and I'll just type burger over here, and the fonts I'm using is Poppin, and set the weight to medium and the size to 14. Then bring this text closer to the burger icon, and then click and drag the burger and the text, and on the alignment in the properties set to center, and then click on Command G to group this burger icon and the text. So then come to the layers panel, and the group you just did, you can rename it to the burger. Same thing you have to do for the other three icons. So now when you have renamed all the icons, then you have to now create a frame. Come to the bottom toolbar in the toolbar, and click and drag and create a frame now, and then click and drag these all four icons and text, and place it inside this frame. Right now you can't see the text because it's white. We'll just recolor that in a moment. I'll just increase the frame size, and I'll grab these icons and place it a bit to the center. Let's change the frame color from white to a bit grayish. Come to the fill menu and just bring it down a bit, and now we have a gray background so you can see the text. Now let's change the text color to dark gray. Click on the burger, click on command, while holding down command click on the burger text, so it selects the burger directly and not just the group along with the icon. So once you have select the burger text, come to the right side in the properties panel and change the color of this to 888888, so it's like a dark grayish color. Okay, and then same thing you have to do for the rest of the text. Also, you can just click on the burger and right click on it and click on copy, and then click on the pizza and then right click on it, come to the menu under this copy paste as, go there and click on paste properties, so it will choose the same color. Same thing you can do for the taco. Again, I'm clicking on paste properties. Same thing you do for the fries. So now here we have a grayish text setup. Now click and drag all these four icons and move it a bit to the center, and click on Command G to group these. And now you can again click on the frame and make it white. Now next thing we'll do is we'll duplicate this frame. Click on frame and click on Alt while holding down Alt. Click and drag to make a duplicate of this frame. I'll just zoom out a bit. I can just even click and drag this frame next to it, below it, and then click on frame 1 and rename it to original. This is which has all the black and white icons. The second one, frame 2, will be the burger selection. Just name it to burger selection. Now click on the burger group, click on this, double click on it, and it will select the burger text and the burger icon. Now again, while holding down command on the keyboard, click and drag on the burger icon itself, so it selects only the burger icon and not the text. Now come to the fill menu on the right, click on it, and now the settings, keep it all the way to the center, so your burger will get colorized again. So now you have the full on color on the burger, and you can also just double click on this burger, and while holding down shift, click and drag to make it a bit bigger. And you can also, on the edges, you see there's a rounded arrow. If you click and drag on it, you can tilt it however you want. So I'll just tilt it like that and just place it here. And for the burger text, I will click on it, double click on it, and then on the properties panel, I will change this burger color text to orange. Come to the fill and click on the color picker and navigate to an orangish color. It's FF8400, the color code of the orange. And also you can change the weight of this from medium to semi bold. So now you have to do this same setting for each of these three icons. Again, click on the original frame which has black and white icons. Again, click and drag and make a duplicate of it. This time, again, click on this name original and change it to pizza selection. You can again click on this burger text while holding down command, and then click on this, right click on this, and then click on copy. Then come to the pizza selection frame. While holding down command, click on the pizza text, right click on it, go to copy paste as, and paste properties. So it will paste the properties of the same color of the orange font. Then while holding down command, click on the pizza icon, come to the fill, and then just color it back while dragging all the sliders to the center. And then again click on this pizza icon and just while holding down shift, make it a bit bigger, and you can just tilt it a bit, rotate it, and just bring it down a bit, adjust to the position you like. So now we have the burger selection menu done and the pizza selection. Now we only have two more to go, the taco one and the fries. Then again, just zoom out a bit. I will again click on the original frame. I'll hold down Alt on the keyboard and I'll make a duplicate of it. then again, then click on the pizza text, right click on it. You can also click copy properties from copy slash paste as menu. If you go there, here it shows copy properties. You can even use this. Click on copy properties and then hold down command on the keyboard and then click on the taco text, right click on it, then go to command, then go to copy slash paste as and click on paste properties. Then while holding down command on the keyboard, click on this and drag the taco icon. Then come to the right menu in the properties. Under the fill, go to the image settings and then again drag all the sliders to the center. So you will have the colorful taco icon. So now we have the taco icon as well set up, but we have to just make it a bit bigger. Then again click on the taco icon. Then while holding down shift on the keyboard, click and drag to make it a bit bigger and then rotate it and then just place it as per your liking. So now we have the taco selection also done. Now we have the taco selection done and just now rename the frame to taco selection. Now we only have to add the fries. Click on the original frame again, zoom out, and while holding down LT and shift on the keyboard, click and drag all the way to the bottom. Click on the taco text by holding down command and then right click, copy paste as, copy properties, then click on the fries text again by holding down command, then right click and then copy paste as, paste properties. Now we have the fries text orange. Now just click on the fries icon while holding down command, then come again to the fill menu and drag all the sliders to the center. And now just make it a bit bigger and then rotate it a bit and adjust it like this. So now we have the fry selection also done. Just double click on this name of this frame and type it fries selection. So now we have our all four icons frames ready along with the black and white. Now what you have to do is, now we have to select all these 5 frames, click and drag all the ones and click and drag all these 5 frames, and now you have to click under this create component menu, click on this create component set. Once you click on it, it will turn this into a component set which now you can prototype. Then click on the prototype tab on the right side. Now you have to click on the burger group. Just double click on this till you reach the burger and the text icon selected together. It's in a group. Now if you see, if you just zoom in, you see a small plus arrow. It will have this plus arrow on all the 4 sides. That shows you can click and drag this to make an interaction prototype. So once you click and drag, I have clicked and dragged the burger text and this burger icon as they were in a group to the below one which has the burger selection. So once I did that, this interaction menu popped up. The action will be happening on the trigger. When on click, action will be, it will change to the burger selection menu, and the animation, instead of instant, click on this and click on dissolve, and easing, click instead of ease out, you have to click on ease in. Now we have set up the animation of the burger. Now let's do it for the pizza as well. Click on the second icon, the pizza icon, and the text. Again, click on this plus and drag it all the way to the pizza selection, and then it will automatically keep the settings what we did for the burger. Its animation to dissolve and the easing is set to ease in. So that's what we wanted. Same thing you have to do for the taco. The third icon, click on it and click and drag all the way to the taco selection. And now we have the taco selection done as well. Same thing you have to do for the fries. Click and drag. This time I'm doing it from the right side. I'm just pushing it down. Again, it will have the same interaction settings. I think no, I have to do it. Now I'll click on the fries prototype and drag all the way from the right side to the bottom one, which has the fries selection. And now we have kept the same settings of this as well. Now, since we have done for the first frame, the black and white, we have to also do for the rest of these. I will show you what I mean. Now come to the pizza in the second frame, which is under the burger selection frame. You have to click on the black and white pizza icon and the text. Again, they are in a group. You just need to click on this plus and now navigate that to the pizza selection menu. So when they are in the burger menu and if they click on the pizza, it will have that interaction that it will again take this pizza icon to the colorful one selection. Same thing you have to do for the taco. Click on the taco group and the text and the icon. Click on this and click on the taco selection. Same thing you have to do for the fries. Click on this and then all the way to the bottom. As you can see, the interaction settings are default to what we have given for the burger initial selection. So now we have completed our this one, the one which has burger selection. We have set all the black and white for this selection as well. Then now we have to do for the pizza selection menu. Click on the burger one and click and drag to the burger selection. Same thing you have to do for taco, and same thing you have to do for the fries. Click and drag. So now the pizza menu is also done. Then let's go for the taco selection. Again, click on the burger and click and drag this to the burger selection. Then pizza one, click and drag to the pizza selection. And the taco, we don't need to because it's already under taco selection menu. Then grab the fries and click and drag to the fry selection. Now the last one is remaining. Let's go to the fry selection menu. Click on the burger selection. Click and drag all the way to the top. Then for the pizza, click and drag to the pizza. And then to the taco, click and drag to the taco. So now we have set up our prototype interactions. Now let's create a frame to test our interaction. Click on the frame and click and drag anywhere on the canvas. And now you can click on the frame and then go to the design tab and then from the fill, click on this orange color, which is FF8400. This is the color we had used for the text as well. Now we have to drag our component onto this frame. Then navigate to the assets menu here on the left side under the created in this file. Click on this. It is showing one component. Click on this and you can see our component one is here, which we have just created. Just click and drag this one all the way to this canvas, and also you can just around the bottom edges of this component come to the properties panel and you can see this corner radius. click on this, so you can add individual corner radiuses. So on just to the bottom ones, I'll just keep it 20 to the bottom left and the 20 to the bottom right. So you see it has a rise curve effect on the bottom. Now let's test our prototype. Click on this play, and now it will load our prototype. I'll just zoom in a bit. Now if you click on the burger, it will have the burger animation. If you click on the pizza, it will have the pizza animation. Same for taco and same for fries. And if from fries, if you click on the burger again, it will have the same effect. Even if you're on the pizza and if you go back to the burger, it will have the same effect. So I hope you guys have learned something from this training video, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Figma training videos. Thanks for watching.